The right software can make studying easier and more productive. In this video, we will share the best Windows apps for students. For note-taking, OneNote and Notion let you organize lectures, ideas, and to-do lists beautifully across all your devices. For writing papers, a good Office suite is essential, whether the free LibreOffice or the familiar Microsoft Office. To manage your time, apps like Todoist and a calendar app keep your deadlines and assignments on track. For focus, tools that block distracting websites during study sessions help you concentrate. PDF readers let you annotate research papers and textbooks directly. For citations and references, dedicated reference managers save hours of formatting. Cloud storage keeps your work backed up and accessible anywhere, so a lost laptop never means a lost essay. For learning languages or memorizing facts, flashcard apps using spaced repetition are incredibly effective. And a reliable communication app keeps you connected with classmates for group projects. With this toolkit, students can stay organized, focused, and productive. Explore these apps and build a study setup that supports your success all year long.